อนนี้นะคะก็ได้ยืนอยู่ที่บริเวณด้านหน้าบูธโซดิกไปเป็นที่เรียบร้อยแล้วนะคะสวัสดีค่ะ Please introduce yourself and company.
My name is Hiromiki Goto, sales of the Sodick Thailand. We produce the Wire-Cut EDM, die sinker EDM, injection molding machine and machining center.
What is your highlight products?
Yes, today we have two machines. One machine is the Wire-Cut EDM ALN400G, and the other one is a machining center TS50L. Both machine has the linear motor technology, and we can provide a good accuracy for our customers.
Please provide a few words of invitation to visit your company and Intermach 2022.
Yes. If you are interested in our new technology, please come over to Intermach, booth number P32. Thank you so much.